It should not be dust in front of the class. Your NL is HM. You're the assistant. Where is HM? Okay, you should give one place for them to dust, no. See, they're dusting there only and the dust fully, he only is inhaling that. It will cause to thing allergy. Chalk allergy is very bad for the children. Daily எத்தனை மணிக்கு தொடிக்கிறீங்க இது? Daily எத்தனை மணிக்கு தொடிக்கிறீங்க? என்னம்மா? பா, see the smell ma. Call the HM ma. You get the stinking smell? How the no ma, see when I stand here I get that stinking smell. The urinary smell is coming so badly.
Repeatedly cleaning it regularly, mom. Just now it finished.
You got the smell. Are you getting the smell? Are you inspecting every day?
Yes. You're doing it.
See there, I can't stand here. It's stinking so badly. Every day it should be cleaned. The children are using, no ma?
They're doing it 2-3 times, mom.
Before children could come here, they are not cleaning, eh?
Morning once, afternoon once again, afternoon once again.
But I'm getting that stinking smell now.
Break time is everything. Just now they go. Immediately after that,
Water facilities are there?
this one, who is using this?
ಮಾ ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಚೆ ನಾವು ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವೇ now only is starting bad. It is stinking so badly. You come and stand here and see. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿ there காமிச்சின பிரயோஜனம் இல்லைங்க காமிக்கல அப்படி டெட்டால ஒரு ஃபினாயில போட்டு இருந்தாக்கா அந்த ஸ்மெல் வந்திருக்குமே அந்த சைனே இல்லைங்களே parents are complaining very badly children are infected
maybe but the children are getting infected.
Many parents are coming and giving yes suddenly we came now we can see the condition of the toilet now. No ma, don't say it is a break time. Now break time now I have not seen one child.
You can check any time now. It's not there.
Come here. There is water facilities inside. Water is coming in the tap. You see my face, okay? Water is coming there inside. Your
ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೀವು ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್ ಹೋದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀರಿದೆಯಾ
ನೀ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ go see inside ma go see inside whether tap and all is there or what you see whether water facilities is there ನೀರು ಇದೆಯಾ
ಮತ್ತೆ come and check mom this is only the break time everybody together came
இது உங்க பையன்
The boys now.
okay
That's
for girls papa
At top we have one for girls now. One more we have. Third.
girls toilet check பண்ணு
One more right? Third floor. No, high school children go there. That side, third floor children use that toilet. One toilet you have kept for them.
girls toilet பார்க்கலாம் which standard is this 9th standard are you okay with the toilets children sit down are you okay with the toilet water facilities are there you must tell me the truth water is sufficient there it is cleaned all the times per day how many times they are cleaning twice don't know you are getting that stinking smell they are putting Dettol and phenol and all daily really yes sir okay
Wash demo toilet.
How to use the toilet?
Pads, everything we tell you.
Okay.
Even pads only have to use.
That's what you'll have. No dustbin there for the girls' dustbin? It is there? Okay, okay. Tap it and how to throw it in the dustbin or how to use it. Okay? Yes. That is for those who are here in this floor, eh?
This floor and high school girls will come in
Okay.
because they have separate restrooms and doors here.
It is separate for the high school girls and for the lower primary and higher primary?
The first floor children will use that, ma'am, which is close by. Here we
No,
have
my
higher
question
primary
is,
children.
even small children are using the toilet, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Whether high school children you have separate or for small or for all together?
Small children use that side. ma'am,
Okay.
first floor. Here high school children and higher primary. There's only a storeroom. Office. Security will have the facility.
No, first aid kit should be in the toilet, in the restroom, that too for high school children, no?
Ma'am, they come and approach the office, ma'am, if they want.
By the time they have to come down and go and see to the office, they have to wait for the
Class
thing.
teachers also have kept it in the class, ma'am. They will take it there. Class teachers also have one pack in the class. That arrangement also we've made. Emergency, they will come and ask us.
Okay. ஓபன் பசங்க போயிட்டு வந்தா உடனே தண்ணி எல்லாம் ஊத்துறீங்களா?
பெரால் போடுற தண்ணி எல்லாம் ஊத்துறோம்.
This is second standard. First standard. No, the small children are here and the toilet is next to the small kids. It won't infect. When they inhale all this, they will get the thing now. They will get allergy now. Ma, first standard anga, second standard inga சின்ன குழந்தைங்க எது இருக்குவே இங்க டாய்லெட்ஸ் இருக்கு. இல்லம்மா இது மெர்ச்சின் போனா அந்த குழந்தைங்க என்ன ஆகுறது? அது இவ்வளோ டர்ட்டி டாய்லெட் வந்து பத்துல சின்ன பசங்க இன்ஃபெக்ஷன் ஆகாதுங்களா? எதோ HM எங்க? Where is the HM? She have to come na. Call her and come. Call her. வராது இருக்கும். இல்ல இது சின்ன பசங்க இங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் இங்க செகண்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட். Toilet is here only that it is opened and kept. Definitely it will be infected for the children, small children. இது மெர்ச்சின் உள்ள போனா அது இன்ஃபெக்ஷன் ஆகும் குழந்தைங்களுக்கு. இது மெர்ச்சிட்டு உள்ள போனா என்ன ஆகும்? That is why very often sneezing, very often cold for the children. பசங்க சொல்றாங்க ஒரே ஸ்மெல்லு உக்காரத்துக்கு அவர்ல ஸ்மெல்லு கூட இல்ல ஸ்டிங்கிங். Sister,
You wanted to see the toilet.
yeah, I'll just see the small children, first standard, second standard children, you know that how sensitive they are. So next to them only the toilet is there. It will infect the children, no? You can change the classrooms to the other sides. Leave the otherwise you shift the toilet to some other place. You just go stand there and see. We cannot stand there because it was stinking so badly. Throughout the day, if the children keep on inhaling that, what will happen to them? Say, sister. You only say, sister.
You can.
That too, only first standard and second standard children.
Ma'am, please come to manage.
Yeah, I'll see. I'll visit this toilet and come. யாருமா இங்க அட்டெண்டர்? ஸ்மால் சில்ட்ரன் டாய்லெட்டா? This is next to LKG only, toilet is there. I don't know why they have constructed like this. LKG is here and toilet is here. Which class is this one? This to LKG. You are not getting any stinking smell here from the toilet. Inhaling this smell. என்னோட கொஸ்டின் என்னன்னா எல்கேஜி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் பசங்க பக்கத்துல டாய்லெட் வச்சுக்கிறாங்க. இஸ் இட் ஃபேர்? யூ இஷ்யூ a notice. ஸ்மெல் என்ன பண்ணினே இருந்தா என்ன வருது அது பசங்க? அந்த குழந்தைங்க எப்படி இழுத்துனே இருக்கும், சின்ன குழந்தைங்க அது. இவ்வளவு சீக்கிரம் லங் இன்ஃபெக்ஷன் ஆகாதா? Is this aided section or unaided section? Management only. No, management, this is a way to keep the management toilet and Alma. இப்போ க்ளீன் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க, நம்ம உரம் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். கேர்ள்ஸ் தேதம்மா டாய்லெட்டு. Is it clean? Yes. Water facilities are there for you all to use and throw all the things kept there? When you all are using the pads and all, is it a thing?
Yes.
Dustbin is kept inside? Are you sure?
Sure.
I'll check it inside.
Yes.
Are you? Definitely. Yeah, the teacher's telling and giving you how to use the toilet.
Yes.
Before sitting, flush it out. After using, you have to flush it out. Okay? So you will not be infected. Got it? You're high school children only now. Come. Inside the toilet, eh? It is not inside the toilet. You have to take from the drum and then use it.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, when you are not using the water like that, you should just use it and come off like that only, eh?
No, ma'am.
Ah,
First you use in drum and
that's what drum, not taps inside the toilet. In the girls' toilet, na? Okay. எடுத்துன்னு போய் யூஸ் பண்ணோம். டாய்லெட் உள்ள வந்து ஒரு டேப் கூட இல்லை. Especially for higher school children, no taps inside the toilet. How they will know how to use the water? Yes, Lavanga. Suddenly I came for a visit to the schools. I have visited Jain school, Mahavir Jain school and St. Teresa's. I can see the toilet facilities are not provided properly for the children. Toilet facilities are not provided very neatly for the children, and the children are using toilet from outside. The taps are not there inside the toilets for the girls especially. So I want the HM or the head of the school to see the toilets condition, and moreover the toilets are constructed side of the LKG children and also BKG children, first standard children. It is very, very wrong, because when they keep on inhaling all that urinary smell, they will be infected very badly. So we came for an inspection. We have seen that. I will tell health inspector to just issue a notice. Okay, I will tell to commissioner. I will take action on this thing schools regarding the toilets.
You try other schools.
Father, I visited the school and also the toilets. I am not satisfied with the toilets for the children.
You are also not satisfied. That's what we have a new proposal for the construction. There is a very old structure,
Okay,
and any repair and maintenance renovation is not possible.
okay.
And, not only for the students, but even for staffs also.
Okay, my small request is, at the side of the toilets itself, LKG children are there, first standard and second standard children are there.
You should understand, this is almost 60 years old building.
Okay, sir, you can change the classrooms, no?
Don't have additional class.
But small children, it is too bad, no? The next to the toilet itself, the first standard and the second standard children, it will affect very badly for them. And that too now the season, see that you change the classrooms.
See, of course, that seriousness we also understand. That's the reason we have taken the proposal, because practically we don't have any extra, not a single class. This structure has been for a long time, and what we can do is that we try to frequent the cleaning.
No, sir. Frequently while cleaning, I can understand that. But At least when you're putting the bleaching powder or the phenyl and all, the children keep on inhaling that. Little while when you put the bleaching powder, we are not able to stand there, sir. Please excuse. We are not able to stand there just for 2 minutes.
So that's what I'm saying. We understand it's not only our major concern, and we wanted to rectify this issue. Not only now, 4 years before itself, I have taken this to our head office, our Archbishop also. That this problem has been a very perennial problem, and at time being we cannot have, because we don't have not a single extra room.
It's okay, but you can change the classrooms, no, for the small children. Here, if I go there, LKG children are there. And there, if I go, first standard and second standard children are next to toilet.
You want to
That urinary, any other classes, or you can keep the 2 classes vacant and you can shift the children, small children, especially. So we itself can understand that small children are affected very badly nowadays, children. And the whole day, that urinary smell, if they keep on inhaling, just imagine the condition of the small kids.
We don't go to that extent, but maximum we try to keep our toilets cleaning there frequent, not once a day or twice a day, as frequent as possible.
Sir, let it be 10 times, 20 times you are cleaning. Okay, I understood that. But that water, what they are stamping and coming inside, it will get allergy for the children. Small children will get allergy very easily, and they keep on sneezing, severe cold, cough. Now it is a season. So please take care of that. If next time when I come there, when the classrooms are there, I have to take action. I have to take action. Because they are small kids, sir. Very small kids. We elderly people itself cannot stand there for 5 minutes.
Municipality also, the drainage systems are not maintained properly, and very frequently we keep hiring people to clean up the drainage.
And also the ground which is close to the, that also is a public issue for the student. Sometimes the rodent animals are there in the
But
ground.
no complaints have come from the school, na?
We take care of the children for
Complaints have come? No, till I am there, not once the complaint is come.
You can see, just see there,
Yes,
the
some
drain,
dogs,
these drainages are
cats,
not maintained from municipality properly.
There is no
We have given
drainage.
couple of,
Sir, okay, you are saying now we are municipality.
we are now
It is connected to UGD.
you can openly see, he's also there, how many times he's also trying to put.
But still now, not one complaint has come for me.
Everything is in
Till now, not one letter has come to me.
You have to be a previous successor.
You just come and check my table, sir. Till now,
Produces there.
no, till now not a complaint has come.
There is any drainage issue for it.
Yeah,
Where is it?
you just find out how many.
Then why it is not informed to municipality?
Municipality.
Ma, you are the health inspector, na? You are the health inspector.
ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ನನಗೆ ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಡ್ರೈನೇಜ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟೇ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಯುಜಿಡಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
Okay.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇವಾಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಡ್ರೈ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪರೇಟ್
Almost
ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ
90%
ಆಗಿದೆ.
of the cleaning has been done.
Hmm.
To tell you the fact, whether school or the actual.
See,
No,
you are
no,
only
you
simply
don't blame the school
blame the
for
school.
it.
You are not.
No, ma'am.
He is only complaining by the school. You just see how.
He didn't complain.
He is every time is complained by the school is
Actually,
throwing
father-
the stairs. But
Actually,
you don't see how many
even the
times.
father personally has given the.
I have sponsored so much
sponsored
money
for the JCB
clean
also.
Okay.
For cleaning, we have brought the lorries for to clean the garbage and all.
Okay.
Even he has supported a lot.
Okay.
But even though the school has to stop, but almost they have stopped it.
See,
We have to give-
Sir, one second, 1 minute, excuse me. Excuse me, 1 minute, sir. Still now, not once a complaint has come about the drain or anything. I have come here to inspect the toilets.
madam,
Toilets inspection I have come because the season is very, very bad and everywhere typhoid, dengue, fever, you can understand very well. The parents would have come and tell.
That part, you have taken it, you have taken to bring that permanent solution until you have taken the proposal. This suggestion what?
Sir, definitely from municipality side, whatever needs you want for the children purpose, if you give one letter, immediately we will take action on that.
The director will request this drainages are not maintained.
Now, after me coming only, you are saying, sir.
How many times?
Father,
From municipality only they hire the people. I pay them labor and ask them.
You're paying, sir, but information has not come that the drain problem is here,
It's not
the
like
ground
that.
problem is there. You have not informed us, no. Health inspector is there. Any once the complaint has come from the school?
So far I
We
did not
we
get
are
any
not, we
complaint.
are hiring people from there only. And I have given about the street dogs, only not a single action you have taken.
Street dogs is not there, sir. We are not taking any contract so far.
At least you respond.
Yes,
Yes,
APC, we have